nuts are you chewing? Oh, well, this is a introduction to our video for One Direction. Stuff like that. Okay. So we're eating. Yeah. It was full. So we are going to do that contest for One Direction. We're going to be the Ratchet girls, but you cannot see our outfits so far. Well, you can, but like we're not wearing them. So let's show them the outfits. You first.
Okay.
Let me get out the way.
I will be wearing a skirt. It has like feathers.
It has a tag still on. You gotta wear that.
This also has a tag on it. And a plaid shirt.
One Direction Liam.
And then some purple tights. And they
What beautiful.
And they look kind of like tie-dye. And then I got some boots. And the boots just match it all.
Just brings it all together.
The boots match it perfectly. There's some fringe boots.
Boots. Boots. Boots. Boots.
And what is my outfit?
And now it's my turn.
Hope they got that. Wait, you need to wear this with it.
Oh my god. And these scarf.
Okay. Now my outfit.
We have some stretchy blue shorts. They are velvet. They have a heart on the pocket. Don't know why, but they do.
To be Ratchet.
They're They're stretchy. They're really nice and comfortable too. They are by Princess Vera Wang. Yeah. Got it at Kohl's. Okay. Louis shirt. It has stripes on it. Yeah. Can't see it from here. It looks like a plain white tee. Plain white tees. And here's the leggings going under my shorts. They have a design on them. They're really ratchet, but they're very nice in winter. Okay, and then I'll tie them off with some cozy socks and